In this video, we'll be showing you how to change the comfort settings on your Z1 CPAP APAP device. First, we'll start with the ramp feature. To change the ramp time, all you have to do is press and hold the up button on the left-hand side. Once you see the ramp icon with the blinking minute icon, you can then adjust the ramp time by using the up and down arrow. Once you have the time selected, press and hold the center power button until accept flashes onto the screen. Next, you're going to want to set your starting pressure for your ramp, and you're going to do so by pressing and holding the down arrow button. A flashing number appears, in which case you will just use the up down arrow to adjust the start pressure. Again, press and hold the center power button to then lock the setting. The next adjustable comfort setting will be the Z breathe. Essentially what that is just going to do is going to adjust the pressure when you exhale, so you're not exhaling against all that back pressure. So in order to do so, you're going to press and hold both the up and down arrow buttons, and then it'll take you to a screen that will have an APAP or CPAP, then a dash 1, 2, or 3. You're then going to use the up and down arrow buttons to adjust, 1 being the lowest, 3 being the highest in regards to how much pressure is going to drop. Then to lock it in, you're just going to press and hold the center power button once more. So after that, you are all set to use your CPAP APAP device with your personalized comfort settings. Next, we'll be showing how to get into the clinician menu in order to change the pressure settings. To do so, you'll just press and hold the center power button, and that will take you to the pressure screen, and you'll notice that it's locked. To unlock it, you're going to press and hold the up-down arrow buttons. You'll see a flash unlock briefly, and then the number will flash. If it's a CPAP, which will be one pressure setting. This is an APAP, so you'll be able to adjust both the high-end pressure and low-end pressure. So once you get the high-end pressure to where you want, you're going to just press and hold the center power button. You'll see it's flash accept, and then you can adjust your low-end pressure settings. And then just repeat the process by pressing and holding the power button once more. And you're all set.